Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a fun animations of you watching a movie with Zootopia characters with using Dream Face app. It's super easy, totally beginner friendly, and you can get it done in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, just open Dream Face. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the Google Play Store. And then once it's installed, just open the app and simply log in using your Google account. And the good news, Dreamface will offer a free weekly credits package, so you can try this filter without spending a cent. After you log in, you will land on the homepage like this, and then from here, just simply tap on Magic Effect. This one. This is where all the coolest AI styles or AI filters are located. And then inside this magic filter, just find the effect that called movie night. This one. This is the filter that creates the animations of you sitting and watching a movie complete with Zootopia characters around you like this. And then next, just choose any picture that you want to transform. For the best result, just pick a photo where your face is clear, well lit, and facing the camera. Just tap on plus button and then just choose your photo that you want to transform. And then just tap on confirm, and after that just tap on create. It will take 1 credit. And okay, just look at this result. Your animation video, animated movie night scene like this. It's ready. It's adorable, fun, and perfect for sharing on your social media or sending to your friend. Okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.